Prices are still fluctuating at a high rate from yesterday's move. I hope everyone made that minimum 10K deposit at the beginning of the week with the new regulated broker. Bitcoin has finally made an all-time monthly high. We are now pushing above 70K with all positions active. I'm going to place 2 more orders once we experience a slight pullback at the monthly demand. If sentiments are accurate, we should get a nice liquidity grab near TP2. Again, this is a great opportunity to capitalize on since Bitcoin is in a bullish run. Signals have been sent in the chat. Make sure you guys are only risking 1% with proper risk management. Hello?
Yo, did you hear the Forex scammers are back at it? They're like modern day alchemists promising to turn Photoshop numbers into real money.
Sounds like they've got a magic touch. What's the trick?
The trick? The trick's their wizard at making your money disappear faster than you can say abracadabra, bro.
So what's her plan?
I just sent you all the shit that you need. Good luck.
Huh. Interesting. I think it's time we expose the truth. In the lucrative yet volatile world of Forex trading, a new breed of experts has emerged, casting a shadow over the industry. These self-proclaimed Forex gurus, flaunting lavish lifestyles and promising instant riches, are increasingly under scrutiny for misleading novice traders. In this documentary, we will dive into the deceptive practices of these individuals, uncovering the reality behind their alluring facade. The Forex market, with its accessibility and promise of high returns, has attracted millions of aspiring traders globally. Amidst this crowd, fake gurus have found fertile ground, using social media and digital marketing to project an image of success and financial mastery. But beneath this veneer lies a troubling reality. As we uncover the truth about Forex trading, I invite you, the subscriber or future subscriber, to sit back, relax, and open your mind to see the truth about the biggest digital get-rich scam of the decade.
Cryptocurrency fraud, and one local man says it destroyed his life.
With the socially engineered crypto investment fraud schemes,
Forex trading is the process of buying one currency or selling another with the goal of making a profit from the trade. Forex, FX, is a portmanteau of the words foreign and exchange. The Forex market is a global marketplace for exchanging national currencies. Because of the worldwide reach of trade, commerce, and finance, Forex markets tend to be the world's largest and most liquid asset markets. Currencies are traded in pairs in the foreign exchange market. For instance, Euro USD represents trading the euro against the US dollar. The Forex market includes cash and derivatives markets, providing options like forwards, futures, options, and currency swaps. Various traders engage in Forex to manage risk associated with international currency and interest rates, anticipate geopolitical developments, and spread their investments across different assets. The foreign exchange market stands out as the sole continuously active and uninterrupted trading market globally. Historically, institutional firms and major banks primarily controlled the Forex market, operating on behalf of clients. However, in recent years, it has undergone a shift towards a more retail-centric approach, with traders and investors of all scales actively participating in it. At its essence, Forex trading revolves around profiting from the fluctuations in currency pairs' values. For instance, if someone anticipates that the euro will strengthen against the US dollar, they might buy euros with dollars. If the euro indeed appreciates relative to the dollar, reflected in the euro USD rate, they can then sell their euros for more dollars than they initially spent, thereby making a profit. Aside from speculative trading, Forex serves as a tool for hedging against currency risk. Individuals and businesses utilize Forex to safeguard themselves from unfavorable currency movements. For instance, a company operating internationally might engage in Forex trading to mitigate potential losses caused by foreign exchange rate fluctuations. By locking in a favorable exchange rate through a Forex transaction beforehand, they can minimize financial uncertainties and ensure more predictable profits or costs in their domestic currency. This aspect is particularly significant for multinational corporations seeking stability in their financial operations. Forex trading boosts advantageous features such as high liquidity, facilitating the easy buying and selling of various currencies without affecting their values. Moreover, traders can utilize leverage, enabling them to control sizable positions with relatively small accounts of capital. However, it's essential to recognize that the leverage can magnify losses, underscoring the importance of knowledge, strategy, and risk awareness in Forex trading. Another notable aspect of Forex trading is its global nature, spanning financial centers worldwide. Consequently, currency values are influenced by a myriad of global events. Economic indicators like interest rates, inflation rates, geopolitical stability, and economic growth impact currency prices. For instance, if a country's central bank raises interest rates, its currency may strengthen due to the higher returns on investments denominated in that currency. Political uncertainty or a bleak economic growth outlook can lead to a currency's depreciation. This interconnectedness on a global scale positions Forex trading not only as a financial endeavor, but also as a reflection of worldwide economic and political dynamics. On paper, Forex is a great way for people to make money through the digital world. Whether you're trading on a desktop at home or mobile device while traveling, once you learn this skill, no one can really take it away from you. The primary reason it's considered a scam more than a career opportunity is because the industry is oversaturated with marketers and content creators that do not actually trade.
So I made over $6,287 on my Funder account, just enough to buy my private jet.
Stop the cap.
Many people will spend 10 years losing money before making a single cent. A successful Forex trader all depends on how good you are. The problem lies in the fact that because it's so hard to become profitable, many go towards the route of selling courses and services as their main source of capital.
So click the link in the description down below to get all of my trades.
In the world of entrepreneurship, finding a skill set to sell or create is the main priority. However, there are two ways to go about it. You can be original and create something with higher risk, or copy something that's been done before with a quicker reward. Forex traders do not have the time or patience to create a new system no one has seen before. If they find something online for free that works, all they do is come up with a different name and pretend it was a hidden secret that they spent years on.
Today I will show you a super secret strategy.
And unfortunately, in the trading industry, there are only so many systems that are legit to the retail trader. To come up with a new strategy in 2024 that no advanced trader has seen before is absurd. I'm not saying it's impossible, but it's extremely rare to the average retailer. Trading relies on real market data and can't be manipulated by the consumer. And this is the biggest mistake that these beginner marketers make. They think they can innovate a system or strategy that's already been proven to work for free. So when you see these professional traders getting exposed on the internet, it's usually from experts that finally caught up to their bullshit. By definition, a scam is a dishonest and illegal scheme that attempts to steal money from people. It is a fraudulent scheme carried out by the scammer. In the trading industry, these scams are often diluted with marketers claiming to be expert day traders while not making a single penny from the market. With lifestyle promises and short attention span videos, these marketers have mastered the ability to sway their audience into buying their courses or services. While it's true that legitimate trading courses do exist, there are instances where they fall short of expectations. Some online courses may present a comprehensive overview and even promise potential job opportunities upon completion. However, the reality often differs from these promises. Many of these courses turn out to be really brief and fail to deliver the expected content and outcomes. Additionally, some courses may claim to offer specific qualifications but are unable to provide verified certification. One of the telltale signs of a scam course is making exaggerated promises about what you can achieve. Some may guarantee immediate results, a significant improvement in skills with minimal effort and time invested, or even a high-paying job upon completion. Legitimate course providers typically refrain from making such guarantees because it's impossible to ensure specific outcomes due to various factors beyond anyone's control. If something appears too good to be true, it's wise to be skeptical. A legitimate course provider will typically offer a comprehensive description containing detailed information about the course curriculum, the skills participants will acquire, and their learning objectives. This transparency helps prospective learners make informed decisions about whether the course aligns with their goals and needs. Conversely, if a course lacks such essential information, it could be a red flag suggesting that it might not be legitimate, as scammers may struggle to provide substantial details about their offerings. Reputable course providers typically boost recognized credentials, qualifications, or accreditation from reputable educational institutions and organizations. These accreditations serve as a testament to the quality and legitimacy of the courses offered. A lack of verifiable accreditation or credentials may raise doubts about the authenticity of the provider and its courses. Therefore, it's advisable to do your own research and verify the credentials of a course provider before enrolling in any program. I personally don't have an issue with selling courses. As an entrepreneur myself, I think it's a great way to create a flow of income. My only problem with these online courses is that most of the information from the Forex industry can be found for free on websites like YouTube, with the cost of $0. All the necessary resources for trading, including statistics, probability, auction market theory, and more, are freely available. The only thing that isn't free or available right away is experience, and that is the most important trait a marketer can have to their name. Experience and exposure from experience are what consumers are really looking for. How long has a trader been in the game for to be selling a course? What is his or her win rate? How can I really trust this Forex trader? Without experience, selling a course can easily be seen as a scam if you have no records. If you don't have at least 5 years of trading experience in the market, I don't think you should be selling anything. I mean, really think about it for a second. If you want your audience to take you seriously and trade full time, what's so bad about having 5 years of experience on your resume? If anything, it will only prove how much of a legit day trader you really are. The idea of selling a less scalable trading course holds no appeal to someone deeply invested in improving their systems and models. The act of selling a course automatically brands the seller as a scammer, a failed trader who, instead of acknowledging their shortcomings, results to deceitful tactics to profit. Selling courses can be a profitable venture as traders can command high prices for sharing their knowledge and expertise. For those who have achieved success in the Forex market, offering courses represents an opportunity to diversify their income sources and potentially generate passive income. By leveraging their experience and insights, these traders aim to capitalize on the demand for Forex education while supplementing their trading income. Again, I don't have an issue with people who sell courses. It's a normal thing to do. The problem lies in the field of transparency, since it's so easy to fool and manipulate the beginner trader who doesn't know anything about free resources like babypips.com. Like mentioned earlier, YouTube is a great way to learn how to trade for free. It might be much harder to directly communicate to the trader, but it's a lot better than paying for a $1,200 course without any guarantees. There's actually a science to why people pay for courses in the first place. When you pay for something, you tend to take it more serious as it's something you paid for with your own hard-earned money. Rather than with YouTube, it's always going to be there, so people tend to rub it off. When you make an investment towards education, your time then becomes more valuable. From my experience, I've learned the majority of what I know today for free. The only time I bought a course was when I needed to see more live market examples from the guru I was watching on YouTube. I can't recall learning anything that wasn't helpful on YouTube or on free PDFs like the Candlestick Bible. If anything, these free resources allowed me to gain an upper edge since I was able to save more money. The reason why these marketers don't want you to find these free resources is because it takes away from their potential buyers, and without their buyers, there's no capital circulation for their trading accounts. Why would any business owner want you to find business somewhere else, especially if it's free? So what's the blueprint of these Forex gurus? And how do these guys really make money? As an investor and content creator who's been in the game for 5 years now, it's very easy for me to spot real versus fake. I can confidently say that this industry is the biggest finesse for a lot of young influencers, as it's easy to get away with a lot of Cap USD.
Hey, Cap USD.
Scamming people as an online influencer can be relatively easy due to several factors. Firstly, influencers often have a significant following, which lends them credibility and trust. This trust can be exploited by scammers to promote fraudulent schemes or products. Secondly, the fast-paced nature of social media and the internet can make it challenging for followers to thoroughly research the legitimacy of offers before engaging with them. Thirdly, influencers may not always fully vet the products or services they promote, especially if they're primarily focused on financial gain or increasing their follower count. And finally, the lack of regulation and oversight in the influencer marketing industry can allow scams to go unchecked until significant damage is done, making it a lucrative opportunity for scammers. While most methods in certain product industries are complex, the methods for the Forex influencer are very simple. Step 1. Create a name for yourself. Before you become a guru, you have to come up with a catchy name that everyone will remember. Step 2, start making YouTube videos that everyone has seen before. As I explained earlier, YouTube is a great way to publicly promote your business. In the trading industry of content creation, most videos are just copy-paste information, so that shouldn't be too hard. Step 3, create a signals chat. What Forex guru doesn't have an overpriced signals chat? Step 4, create a course. Once you have built up enough recognition on social media, it's time to make a course that promises to make someone profitable in 1 week. Step 5, which is the last step, start taking photos next to cars that you don't own. If you want people to believe you're rich, taking photos of food, money, or cars is the easiest way to get attention. Now look, not all Forex traders that have followed these steps are scammers. I just find it a little funny that everyone usually goes down this route in the industry. It's really rare to come across a Forex trader that had his or her come up without any of these listed methods. But there is a way to spot a visible scammer that is different from a real trader. They all use similar tactics and share these 4 common patterns. 1. Creating unrealistic promises. These gurus often lure in their followers with the promise of easy profits and low-risk strategies, contradicting the fundamental risk-reward nature of Forex trading.
Forex trading can get you results like this, and this in 1 hour or less per day from anywhere in the world.
2. Having lack of transparency. Despite claims of Forex expertise, many of these gurus fail to provide credible evidence of verifiable track records of their trading success.
What I do, I help struggling traders take their trading to the next level. I have 15 years of experience when it comes to trading these markets.
3. Lifestyle over substance. Social media profiles of these gurus are often more focused on displaying wealth and luxury rather than offering genuine trading insights or education. Coming across a skilled marketer can be dangerous, as they know most people are attracted to the luxurious lifestyle and fame. And last at 4, have high pressure sales techniques. The primary revenue for many fake gurus is not trading profits, but income from selling trading courses, mentorships, and other products. If you notice the trader you look up to on Instagram is making more videos of him or her yelling at a screen than actual trading results,
You don't have the time? What do you mean? No, you know what it is? You don't have the balls to admit that you're making excuses!
chances are they're full of So yeah, my point is, if you're able to identify and spot these red flags early on, you'd save yourself a lot of money. Ever since the market has been public to retail investors, there have been countless new methods for fast money. One of the most popular methods of becoming successful in the industry is to become a funded trader through a prop firm or company. A prop firm, short for proprietary trading firm, is a financial institution that trades with its own capital rather than clients' funds. Proprietary trading firms typically engage in various financial markets, including stocks, bonds, options, futures, and currencies. Traders at prop firms use the firm's capital to execute trades with the aim of generating profits. These firms often provide traders with access to advanced trading technology, research, and risk management tools to facilitate their trading activities. In return, traders may receive a portion of the profits they generate, often in the form of performance-based bonuses or a share of the trading profits. With this information, most early traders go this route to build capital. And here's where the scammers come into the picture. The gurus, the marketers, or online influencers understand that there is a high demand for prop firm challenges. So with the help of their community or communities, they make promises to fund traders with a better payout system or win percentage. This method is most popular because it's the most lucrative. Whenever these traders lose a funded challenge, their initial investment from the challenge they bought or paid for goes to the company owner or Forex guru. These marketers understand that since there's a high rate of blown accounts, they will have a better chance of making fast money from these losers. After doing some research, I also found out that most of these funded companies manipulate their own trading platform, so the retail traders have a higher chance of losing in the first place. So either way, it's all bullshit. The Forex industry is shady as hell. Every time I get off social media for a long period of time and come back, I always see something shady. Again with the prop firms, man. Since the beginning of the year, prop firms started getting banned in the US. MetaQuotes, the company behind the popular trading platforms MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, is cracking down on prop trading firms. In its latest move, the technology company has forced Black Bull Markets, which was gray labeling its MT5 license to prop trading firms, and forced the broker to terminate its services to funding pips. You see, the United States is very strict regarding leveraged trading services for retail traders. The offering of CFDs is banned in the country. However, prop trading firms operate beyond any regulatory scope. Prop trading firms never actually take clients' money for trading or investment. They only sell trading challenges for a fee, and if traders successfully pass that challenge, then they can trade with funds provided by the prop trading platform. If there are any profits, the prop trading company will split that with the trader. Many firms target US clients because prop trading platforms are technically not regulated in the United States. According to a Finance Magnets report, about a third of these companies are registered in the US. However, the industry became cautious after the US commodities market regulator sued MyForex Funds, alleging fraud, and shuttered its operations overnight. I consider this shady because it shows that the prop firms were never regulated for US clients. So when people invest their money towards a challenge that suddenly vanishes, most would consider that to be a scam or waste of investment. Another thing in the industry that's pretty shady are the Instagram bots. I haven't seen more user clones in any other industry than Forex. It's like as soon as you post a withdrawal online, a new user bot is trying to steal your name. This happens because the clones, aka scammers, understand that you now have a search engine for future clients. So when people look you up on social media, the clone account might appear before the original. This is extremely shady because if the customer pays for a service that's not yours, they can easily get scammed and then the blame would be directed towards you.
Someone created another Facebook profile of me and then was going and messaging people saying, yeah, hey, I'm Nick Sean. Do you like to invest Bitcoin with me?
And lastly, the boxing events.
Bro, drop that motherfucker, dog. There you go. Okay, I like that. I like that. Come on, baby, come on. Whoop that motherfucker's ass.
What the f is this? When did trading turn into a sports event? Believe it or not, I myself am a day trader. I started trading in 2019, right before we had the pandemic. I don't qualify myself as a professional, but I've gotten to the point where I can trade full time off of my own capital. The reason why I was able to break down all the tricks and gimmicks these marketers use is, well, because I used to be that person. Posting every day on Instagram, promoting an overpriced course, trying to get people to pay for a signal chat, selling merch. Trust me, I've done it all before I went pro. This channel, Undercover Ace, was created for the sole purposes of exposing gurus that make the rest of us look bad. Like stated before, I've been trading for about 5 years now. I didn't become profitable until my 3rd year of trading. So I only used these gimmicks when I was making less from the market. If you would like to see more of my personal journey, you can go to my trading channel, Smartmoney Ace. I don't really post much, but do live trading, and I'll be back sometime this month. Some might argue that I only made this video because I failed as a marketer, and I think that's fair to assume. But I would argue the reason why I made this video was because I couldn't respect myself as a real day trader, knowing all the secrets I just exposed. When I first started my trading journey, one thing I promised myself was to always be transparent. Whether I was trading live or running mentorship calls, I wanted to make sure people knew how hard day trading really was. Today, you're running to someone on the internet to make you believe something is easier said than done. And it just hurts when I see people who need the funds to survive getting finessed by someone who hasn't made a single withdrawal in their life. In this industry, a lot of gurus that you guys look up to have big egos to look good all the time. With Forex, it's nearly impossible to look good 24/7 unless you're honest about your losses. No one likes losing in the market, you know, especially live on YouTube with a big audience.
Come on. Oh shit! Oh shit, dude! What the fuck? I just lost $1,500. What the fuck? Oh shit!
But that's normal to lose. What's not normal is to win all the time. And I had to learn this the hard way. I'm not the perfect trader most of my students might see me as. I make mistakes all the time and I'm still learning to this day. But that is what makes it worth it, because at the end, I will have a portfolio of all the lessons I've learned through the course of failing. In my opinion, trading is about being able to obtain the freedom of rewards from managing a risk-free account, not having to rely on a guru for your money, being able to wake up and trade on a naked chart on your own time without having to worry about a signal chat or prop firm challenge, being able to travel, being able to provide for your family, having the freedom to do what you want to do on your own terms. That's what I think trading is really about. You don't have to scam people to acquire financial freedom. Scamming for short-term results only sets you up for long-term failure once exposed. If you're honest about everything in this industry, I promise you, you'll have nothing to hide. In general, anything you're investing your money into should be researched thoroughly, regardless of scams or not. Before enrolling in any course, be sure to check the company's credentials. Look at their website, their social media, and check customer reviews for testimonials. If there aren't any reviews or they are all negative, avoid the course. We live in a digital time where people will believe anything. I don't know if you guys noticed, but there are a lot of people in the trading industry giving financial advice with no credentials. So before you hop into an industry that looks like a get-rich scheme, I really want you to ask yourself this one question. Is it too good to be true? If the answer is yes, the chances are it probably is.